I made a video on how to calculate magnetic charge of a magnet, but in this video I will show you the correct formula for calculating the magnetic charge. Here is the diagram of our experiment. The Earth's magnetic field is along the north direction and the magnetic field of our magnet is along the east direction. The compass needle is showing an angle. Since the two vectors are perpendicular to each other, we can apply the tangent law. Now we have to calculate the magnetic field due to the magnet. The magnetic field due to the northern pole is larger than the magnetic field due to southern pole, and the resultant magnetic field is the difference between the magnetic field of north pole and the south pole. So calculating the difference we get this equation. Due to Hall effect, which is better described by quantum mechanics, the magnetic length is smaller than the actual physical length. Here h is the physical length and L is the magnetic length multiplied by the constant A, which is approximately 0.83. We need the magnetic charge, so we transpose the rest terms to the another side to get our magnetic charge M. Here are our two equations. The first one is the simple equation which can be used for practical uses, and the second equation is complex but accurate. Subscribe the channel for more maths and physics videos, and share and comment below if you like the video.